Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome. Make sure updates are installed so features work reliably. Once done, move your cursor to the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then click it. You'll see New Incognito window. Choose that or press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows, CMD plus Shift plus N on Mac. This creates a separate window that won't save browsing history, cookies, or site data after you close it. Keep in mind extensions may still run unless disabled. You now have an incognito window open. Use it for tasks that don't require permanent traces. If you sign into accounts, those sessions are still visible to the sites and your provider, so sign out when finished. Once signed in, avoid bookmarking or saving passwords if privacy matters. Make sure to disable or manage extensions from Chrome, //extensions, because some extensions can track activity even in incognito. Finally, close individual tabs or the entire window. To finish, close the entire incognito window. That action clears the session's cookies and history from your device. Once closed, verify you aren't still logged in on a normal window. If you notice tracking or saved data, open regular Chrome, go to Settings, and clear cookies and site data. If problems persist, make sure suspect extensions are removed or blocked in incognito mode. Remember, incognito hides local traces, not your ISP employer or the sites you visit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.